For major traditions Nyingma, Kagyu, Sakya, and Gelug emerged as a result of the earlier and later dissemination of the Buddhist teachings in Tibet, and also because of the emphasis placed by great masters of the past on different scriptures, techniques of meditation, and, in some cases, terms used to express particular experiences. All the four major traditions emphasis on the practice of the entire structure of the Buddhist path. Not only the Vajrayana teachings, but also the Mahayana practices of the Bodhisattvas and the basic practices of the fundamental vehicle. All four major traditions of Tibetan Buddhism uphold the philosophical standpoint of the Indian Madhyamika school, and to that extent, there are no fundamental philosophical differences between them.